Good day mga kaangat! Today I am going to share with you the arts of making dish garden like this one that I am making today. This is ideal for us again mga kaangat because it is easy to prepare and hindi natin kailangan magbubuhat again ng mga mabibigat na pots kaya it's very small. Madali lang ito gawin mga kaangat. You just go to your garden and look for plants that have small leaves and i-arrange mo dito, ilagay sa maliliit na pot na to at yun na. So, let's get started! So this is it mga kaangat, the finished product. Thank you so much to Cheryl Adalim Ayaay for your orders for Father's Day. And this is another one that she will be giving for a military man. This is a parachuter, army parachuter. And still another one that she will be giving to a father who has a passion for travel, and this is an Eiffel Tower. And for a father who is a social drinker and who loves to drink, Chivas Regal.